Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to stop back at my channel. Okay, today I have a Dollar Tree haul to show you guys, and I hope that you enjoy smaller hauls because this one is actually a smaller haul. However, I could not resist but to get this stuff. So it's not that big of a haul because, like I said, the pictures are at the end of things that I had seen that I really enjoyed, but I didn't necessarily need. So I left them at the Dollar Tree. So, alright guys, so I'm going to show you the first thing. This is a food product, of course, so it is the Pop Secrets 100 Calorie Home Style 10 bags. So it is 10 bags. So I was really pretty excited about finding this. It was the only one left, or I would have picked up more of them, but it was the only one left. So I can't wait to dig into that. I needed some painter's tape. I ran out of painter's tape, which I don't know how I did that because I just started. Well, I've been water painting a lot, and right now I'm in the middle of making 2 of those swap boxes, so I have 2 of them that I'm doing. So, and then I was lucky enough to find some more of the Sinful Colors. I got this one. Let me see what this one says for you guys. It is Hip to Be Square. That's the color of that one. And I found another Revlon, and this is Full House, and it's the Gel Envy, Color Stay Gel Envy. So that is that one. So I got 2 blues. So, okay, let's see what else I got here. I found some more of the eyelash trim. I'm really loving the eyelash trim. I was actually on the hunt for some yarn for my pom-pom maker, but I didn't find any, but I did find some really cool eyelash yarn. And I did find this awesome Hello. So I think that is really, really cool. So I will be putting it back here on my little table behind me. So yeah, I like that one. I might change it up just a little bit. And then I found, and they wrapped them, thank goodness. The lady's like, would you like me to wrap them? I'm like, of course I would, because you know they'll get broken on the way home. And this one is Free Spirit. I love that one with the feather. So, and the teal. I really like that. So, and it's pretty big too. Isn't it pretty big? So that one. And last but not least, I was lucky enough to find, yes, the macaroons everybody's looking for. I was so excited to find these, and I quick sent a little text to my friend Sandy to say I found them. So I only picked up the mint green one and the pink. You can't see it here because of my lighting, but it is actually like a mint green and the pink. They're my 2 favorite colors. So the only thing I do wish is they were silver. Like we had a choice of silver or gold, but you know, these are going to go on my vanity. And when you open them up, no, okay. When you open them up, I mean, they're not really that deep. If you see, they're really not that deep. This side is a little bit deeper than this side. So it's kind of funny that, you know, maybe this side should have been a little bit deeper. But these are really nice. I do like them. And I've seen what people are doing with them. Amazing things. So like a lamp made out of these. That was like the best idea I had ever seen, a lamp made out of this. So, yep. Alright guys, I'm not kidding. That was like the shortest haul I've ever done, but the best products. Like, they were new items. I could not believe it. And where these were not up in the front. They were by the picture frames in the middle of the shelves. If I would have not been looking, I would have totally missed them. So it is a shame that they didn't have it up with all the Mother's Day things, but they didn't. So yeah, that was it. That's it for my tiny haul. And don't forget to follow me over on Instagram if you get a second, and go over to Instagram, follow me over there. Also, we are hoping to get to 6,000 or more by my birthday. So if you like these types of hauls, don't forget that I do them every Tuesday and Saturday. As long as there's something good at the Dollar Tree worth me picking up, I will do so. There's a couple new things I saw that were out so on Instagram, so I definitely have them on my wish list. You know, you grab those screenshots and you take them. So I have them on my wish list. So yeah, she's yawning. Come here, Stormy. You want to say hello? So yep. So I've been mad putting seedlings in, getting ready for my garden. I've been doing that, and I've been doing laundry all day. And so Stefano is at work, and it's Friday night, and I had nothing else to do, so I figured I'll do my haul right now. So I made dinner. Now I'm gonna go clean up. So get this uploaded for tomorrow. But yes, I do Dollar Tree hauls every Tuesday and Saturday. I'm going to try to do a spill the coffee with Pam on Wednesdays. I'm going to try to also do a card video once a week to make a card. So if you're into those kind of things, please stay tuned. Don't forget to hit subscribe and hit that bell so you're notified of all future videos that I'll have coming. Alright guys, I want to thank you so much for joining me today on this amazing Dollar Tree haul. And like I say, somehow, some way, I'll have an amazing day. You make your day amazing, and together, friends, we'll have an amazing day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.